Ladies and gentlemen, something interesting happened yesterday. A group of Gen Z visited former Chief Justice David Kenani Maraga. Remember that David Kenani Maraga is one guy people have been calling out to stand for presidency come 2027. And yesterday, this youth mostly made of Gen Z visited him, discussed all about that. And here is a clip of David Kenani Maraga with those Gen Zs.
Kataa kutekwa nyara, kataa. Kataa ufisadi, kataa. Simama na Wakenya, simama. Sasa natoa roho yangu iende kukomboa Kenya. 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 Gen Z walitoa roho yao iende kukomboa Kenya. Gen Z walitoa roho yao iende kukomboa Kenya. Sasa natoa roho yangu iende kukomboa Kenya. Sasa natoa roho yangu iende kukomboa Kenya. Maraga natoa roho yake iende kukomboa Kenya. Maraga natoa roho yake iende kukomboa Kenya. Sasa natoa roho yangu iende kukomboa Kenya. Sasa natoa roho yangu iende kukomboa Kenya.
Upon that visit, ladies and gentlemen, in this analysis we want to look into the prospects of David Kenani Maraga. Will he really stand out as a presidential candidate? Some people have also been demanding him to go for IBC chair position, but a lot of youth, especially the Gen Z online, are really demanding or pressuring him to stand for presidency so that they can fully support him come 2027. Ladies and gentlemen, the first reason why Gen Z are demanding for David Kenani Maraga. This is one guy who, when he was serving some cases, stood in court and swore on a Bible that he has never taken a bribe, he is not going to take a bribe, and he will never take a bribe. Something that made him very popular in Kenya, and later he was appointed Chief Justice. Not only that, the famous 2017 election, where he nullified a presidential election, the first ever to happen in the continent of Africa, a presidential election being nullified, was under Chief Justice David Maraga. That's why a lot of youth have trust in him. They believe him to be a very transparent, accountable, and responsible leader. That's why that they visited him yesterday, and that's why a lot of Gen Z are demanding or pressuring him to stand for the presidency come 2027 against the likes of President Ruto, Matiang'i, and Kalonzo Musyoka. Ladies and gentlemen, number two, Gen Z online have had a discussion about those who are standing for leadership position, and all of them have issues, and they call all those leaders who are standing for different positions as people who have been in power, and these are the same guys. So they want new people. Even the former LSK, Law Society of Kenya President Avi demanded for David Kenani Maraga to stand for presidency, because he said if David Maraga is not going to stand for presidency, he himself will stand for that position. And a lot of leaders in Kenya have been calling out for David Maraga to stand for that position. So pressure is mounting on, but Number two, the reason I've told you why David Maraga is popular and people are demanding are those two things. How he served during his times as Chief Justice. There was no issues of corruptions in the courts. At least he's one Chief Justice who is remembered to have done his era very, very well. But the challenges Maraga is facing, number one, is that amidst the fact that Maraga can stand and get a lot of votes, remember that youth in this country form up to almost 60+% of the population of this country is made of young people. So if they rally behind Maraga, Maraga can get an overwhelming support of about 5+ million votes, because if youths decide to turn out and vote. Remember that youths have had numbers in this country, but their problem has always been they don't turn out to vote. But if these youths turn out to vote, trust me, David Maraga, if he stood for the presidential position, is going to get overwhelming support from the entire nation. But the challenge David Maraga has been having, or is having as we speak, is that he comes from Gusii region that right now is sponsoring Fred Okengo Matiang'i. And I know that him being a man who has served and retired, he is also looking upon his image in the community. And if he is going to stand for a presidential position, as well Fred Matiang'i stands for presidential position, he will be seen as a person who came out to oppose Fred Matiang'i, because right now Fred Matiang'i is the one who has already hit the ground and he has sent people to prepare the Gusii region that he is going to stand for leadership position. That is the reason number one. The reason number two is presidential position comes with resource mobilization, and a lot of resources are needed to push for presidency. It's only a fact that David Maraga can stand for presidency and a lot of youths can come out to contribute to support his campaigns. But I don't think if those funds will be enough to support his presidential campaign effectively. Will they use fund Maraga effectively to run a presidential campaign? Or will youths turn out to use social media? Remember that social media is a very powerful tool right now. Maraga can take his campaigns to social media and measure on social media and support him on social media, then reduce and even if the campaigns on the ground are not that tight or that effective, online campaigns can be very, very effective in favor of David Maraga. And ladies and gentlemen, that's what is ahead. Another reason is the matter of interest. Remember, these positions come with a matter of interest. Is David Kenani Maraga interested to be a presidential candidate? So that's also one question we are asking. Matter of interest, is David Kenani Maraga interested? You can tell me in the comment section what you think if David Kenani Maraga stood for presidency. Could you vote for him, or could you consider voting for Fred Matiang'i, or could you consider voting for Kalonzo Musyoka or Rigathi Gachagua? If those guys on the ballot paper, who is your favorite candidate? You can tell me that in the comment section. Otherwise, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for you, and that's only but my opinion. You can tell me what you think in the comment section. Have a nice day, and if you're watching this channel for the first time, always take a second to subscribe to our channel so that we can grow together.